In this video I will show you how to create a Gmail account without a number. First you need to get a fresh browser in which no Gmail account has been created before. I have a fresh browser. Search for Gmail Create. Click on the first website. Click on Create an account. After clicking, this page will show. If you want, you can log in here if you have your previous Gmail account. As you create, click on Create Account. Here you will get 3 options. For my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. For my personal use, this is your personal account. For my child, this is the account for your child. For work or my business, this is an account for your business. I will create my personal account, so I am clicking for my personal use. Now you have to give your first name and last name. I am giving my name. Click on Next. Here you have to give your date of birth and you have to give your gender. I am giving my date of birth. Now I am writing male as male. Now click Next. Here you write your Gmail address that you want. If it has already been created by someone else, then it will not be created. Give another number or letter and try as I am doing. Click Next. Now here the password will be asked. Enter the password that you will use to log in later. The password should be strong. I gave a stock password. The same password should be entered in both rooms. Click on Next. Now use your recovery email here, which will help you to log in to Gmail later. I am giving an address. Click on Next. Click on Next. Google has shown some information in front of you on this page. If you read it well, click I agree. The Gmail account has been created successfully. Now you can use this Gmail account. In the next video I will show you how to strengthen the security of Gmail. So subscribe to the channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching the video.